Coach, ayun lang, reflection lang of the conference na nakapos na July.
Yeah, it's not only the loss we have got from Rain or Shine. It's something to do with the start ng conference. We're struggling, very costly yung mga talo namin sa team na nasa bottom. Dahil if ever na nanalo kami doon, probably we'll be in the top 4. And my take to that is, we're so complacent after winning the 2 championship, the ultimate. And they thought na kayang-kaya manalo. But because of injuries, the player we got, dahil nag-start yung conference namin, Junmar and CJ, at saka si Jericho, because of the national team sa Gilas sa Guam, pagdating nila may mga injuries. And then that's why our performance at the few games that they started, talagang napakasama. And we're able to recover the middle of the tournament and changing an import, so it's not really good at the start. Mabuti na nandiyan si Benny, naka-recover kami for a while, but still tension. That's why binabalikan ko yung bad start namin sa conference. Dahil dala sa a few games namin, sakala naka-recover yung mga player from injuries. Si Jericho from injuries, Troyano, nag-miss din ng mga games. Si Chris Ross, nag-miss din ng, I think, half of the elimination round. And before we're able to get the cohesiveness, hindi namin makuha. And then, of course, may period of adjustment pa rin pagdating ng Penny Boatwright. Alam namin, but hindi nangyari yung inaasahan namin. And it's a lesson learned for us. Dahil, yun nga, we're so disappointed because there's a lot of people expecting us na to get into the semifinals, and also our team expected, but it requires a lot of hard work. And then babalikan na namin yung preparation namin before they start the conference. Because for me, winning a championship will start in the pre-season.
Coach, dahil hindi rin kayo nakapasok sa finals ngayon, kasi syempre, in-expect din sa inyo is to win a Grand Slam. May panginginayang rin ba on that part? That, yung aspetong yun na wala hindi na makukuha yun?
Yeah, actually, yun ang iniisip ng iba. We are the only team that have a chance to get into the, sinasabi nating Grand Slam. But for me, mailap yung Grand Slam dahil everything is trying to build up their team, and naka-level up na sila in terms of talent. And you know what happened to this conference, because Gilmore is dominating underneath, but it did not happen because of the presence of a bigger importer. And actually, nag-start sila, we have a chance to get the Grand Slam, kahit malang yung semi-Grand Slam at third, fifth, 3 consecutive wins, but did not happen. Kaya ang binabalikan ko is what happened to us before the tournament. So, short of a preparation because of the mga key players na karoon ng mga injuries, ganyan. And then I cannot force them to play well, hard, because I'm after at the health of the player.
Coach, ano ng plano? May mga early plans sa governor's staff, like import, hindi na maulit kung
that's one thing na sinasabi namin sa mga coaching staff na you have to do their part, especially dahil malaking role ang ginagawa ng import. And si Jerome nagsalita nga, kung maaari nga sana wala nang palitan ng import. But that's what happened, and that's our first plan. After winning the championship, I did not get any break because of the import. And we have an import na okay na, ready na, and all of a sudden hindi na release ng Saudi, dito sa Dubai, and all of a sudden nagkaroon ng gera. And then actually import yung itinry namin before Marcos Lee. Last minute si Marcos Lee, because last minute siya, hindi nagmaterial, so cramming na. So ito, pwede na ito, ganito. And Benny Boatwright is not available at the time because before the start of championship, the All Filipino, he signed in a Korean team and fortunately he was able to replace Patton eksakto after nung game niya, so iniwan kami ni Patton, and I think Patton is supposed to be a good fit para sa amin because we need somebody who could protect the rim dahil big factor ang big import but we don't know kung ano nangyari sa kanya until now but we have to move on and try to get both right. So fortunately, it's available right away. No. But I guess na talagang import is the biggest factor to win another game, another championship.
Coach, I hope it's not too premature pa question, pero sa ngayon po kami parang may paano shortlist of imports for the Governors Cup sa ngayon?
Yeah, may mga import na nagpapadala sa mga agent na nagpapadala sa amin ng listahan, ganyan. So, because of this game, so hindi pa kami makapag-concentrate dahil we're focused in this quarterfinals. I think I will take a 1 week break para mag-recharge and then umpisa ka na maghanap ng import dahil I'm always involved in trying to get an import. It's a teamwork from the management and then also the coaching staff. So we'll try our best na what is fit to sa team namin dahil we cannot afford to have like this situation na papalit pa rin. It's always the case, especially nung last year conference na I think nakatatlo, nakaapat. It won't do any good. And some of the teams, talagang nagkaroon sila ng 2 months before the tournament, meron na silang important. Especially yung gelling sa team that is very important. And the import na especially first timer, so they should know what brand of basketball we have here. And then talagang mahirap dito. I could say na hindi biro maglaro dito para sa import dahil they thought na maliliit tayo pero hindi May katapat din sila malalaki na kapwa import but what is important is how to play our brand of basketball.